Hi, I'm Adam Taki, the co-founder of Amazing Taste Food Seasonings and the author of Spice It Up. How to make simple fajitas, that's what's on everybody's minds right now. You can make beef, you can make chicken, you can make pork, you can make shrimp. Today I want to make shrimp because I just love shrimp fajitas so much. So I've taken a nice big sauteing pan and I've heated it on a medium-high temperature. I put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I've taken 1 pound of shrimp that I've peeled and deveined and I've just placed it into my pan and I've just began cooking it. Now I want to add in my bell peppers and onions. I have 1 red, 1 orange, pick from any color of the rainbow, 1 white onion, small one that I sliced up. Give it nice big turns and stirs and get all the vegetables and the shrimp cooking. Now we got to season our fajitas, and that's really an important part. I'm going to use Amazing Tastes fajita seasoning. I love this seasoning. It just has all the right blend of natural spices and herbs and garlic, and you're just going to love it. It's so good. I love making fajitas with this seasoning. It's such a great complement to any fajitas, whatever you're making. So let's just give this nice big stirs. And then fajitas, it's up to you. You know, you pick whatever color of the rainbow bell peppers to put in, and you could also add in, I really like putting tomatoes. I just have 1 big tomato that I quartered, add that in. And then some fresh lime juice. So I'm going to take a lime right here. And let's roll it, get the juices, get all the juices flowing. Cut this bad boy in half. Let's squirt some fresh lime juice right on top of this. This is going to be so good. Look at that. I can smell the nice acidic, the nice citrusy smell from the lime, and look at that. Look at the nice color and the beautiful fajitas. And fajitas, making a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Cooking doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be cooked properly, and that's really important. So let's just give that nice big stirs. And I love making fajitas when I have friends over because you could put them out on the table, you put out the components, you got your guacamole, your sour cream, you got your cheese, and everybody could just make up their own fajitas. I got some whole wheat tortillas right here. I love whole wheat. I just think they're healthy and they complement the shrimp fajitas so well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Adam Taki. Now go get into your kitchen and whip up your own batch of homemade shrimp fajitas or chicken fajitas or beef fajitas. And for more information, please visit amazingtaste.com. Have a good day, guys. Thanks.